JASE-W, the Japanese Business Alliance for Smart Energy Worldwide, is a coalition of Japanese companies which have a variety of excellent energy-related technologies and products, and wishes to spread them around the world. It was established in 2008 with the full support from the Japanese Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry, METI, and the strong Japanese Business Federation, known as Keidan-ren. As Mr. Hiroaki Nakanishi of Hitachi is the chairman of Keidan-ren, he also assumes the chairman position of JASE-W. The mission of JASE-W, along with Japan and its business industries, is to make significant contributions to the global environment and carbon reduction by disseminating their various advanced energy-efficient technologies and products broadly around the globe. Since its foundation, JASE-W has been carrying out many activities in various countries with close cooperation with Japanese ministries and industries. Currently, more than 40 innovative Japanese companies in a wide range of business areas are becoming JASE-W members. They are ready to offer a wide variety of advanced technologies and products for effective energy use, as well as related consultancy and financial services to the world, effectively serving the global efforts of energy saving and decarbonization. In addition to the private companies as JASE-W members, various Japanese government ministries such as METI, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Ministry of Environment, etc., as well as other public organizations and representative offices of multinational development banks and so forth, are supporting JASE-W as its observers. Closely related to various energy associations like Solar and ESCO, other specific industry organizations related to electricity, iron, chemical, etc. are becoming associate members of JASE-W. To date, JASE-W, in close cooperation with various Japanese government agencies and ministries, has been dispatching public-private joint business delegations to many countries. These countries are ASEAN and other Asian nations such as India and Turkey, Middle Eastern countries such as the UAE and Saudi Arabia, South American nations such as Brazil and Peru, and even African nations and Russia. The member companies are taking advantage of these opportunities to introduce their advanced and energy-efficient technologies and products to these countries' governments and industries, exploring business opportunities and developing cooperation, and serving the smarter energy use and sustainable development of these countries. On top of that, JASE-W has been positively participating in official energy dialogues between the Japanese government and other countries. Also, member companies are making presentations on their smart energy technologies and their activities. In collaboration with the Japanese government and its various ministries, JASE-W also convenes energy forums in many countries to introduce member companies' technologies and products. During the business forums, face-to-face intensive business talks and negotiations are also held between interested parties in order to explore business matching opportunities for saving energy. To further deepen the mutual cooperation toward global energy conservation and decarbonization, JASE-W has signed many MOUs and cooperation agreements between other countries' energy ministries, energy-saving agencies, national ESCO associations, research institutions, and so forth. One of JASE-W's significant achievements has been the dissemination and promotion of ZEB, or Zero Energy Building. As urbanization and the construction of buildings has been an ever-increasing trend around the world, the issue of energy efficiencies of these buildings is an important topic and should be systematically promoted in many countries. JASE-W has been actively assisting with this movement, especially cooperating with ASEAN countries where their energy demands and carbon dioxide emissions are rapidly growing. In cooperating closely with the ASEAN Secretariat on Energy, from 2018, ASEAN established the new ZEB Building Award, an award that praises buildings with a good ZEB concept. The JASE-W Working Group is now organizing seminars and workshops on ZEB in ASEAN countries to share the ZEB concept. The JASE-ZEB Working Group has been actively involved with the International Standardizations Organization ISO in order to make a global standard of ZEB. Once this global standard has been made, ZEB handbooks or guidebooks can easily be developed in any country. In the next example, JSW has been active in Indonesia to promote and encourage CHP more widely. This system is not only energy efficient, but also reduces carbon, which will greatly contribute to the greener development of the country. For this purpose, in November 2018, JSW hosted the Japan-Indonesia Business Forum on Energy Efficiency, Conservation, and Renewable Energy in Jakarta. In parallel with the forum, CHP Working Group members and METI officials jointly visited MEMR to exchange opinions about the CHP. JSW is currently proposing a CHP pilot plant project in Indonesia and is keen to help progress this further. Waste to energy is also an area that JSW is tackling. We assume that the burning of garbage or waste will grow worldwide. Therefore, environmentally and socially sound, and the safety of waste disposal facilities should be fully considered before we build them. For this purpose, JSW drafted the Handbook for Quality Waste-to-Energy Infrastructure in early 2018. In this handbook, we point out that safety, social, and environmental aspects are absolute priorities. For this, we suggest that governments or municipalities obtain actual performance or operating records from plant manufacturers for their current waste disposal plants. By participating in various opportunities through seminars or conferences, the JSW WTE Working Group is working to have this handbook recognized by foreign central or local governments responsible for waste disposal or facing waste disposal issues. In 2020, JSW started a new working group which highlights the Turkey and Black Sea region, where the energy transition through natural gas and pipeline development is rapidly progressing. Currently, the working group continues their work through online meetings, but hopes to conduct actual visits to the region in the future. JSW has been taking part in many international exhibitions to showcase green and smart energy technologies and environments. Through these events, member companies actively introduce advanced and environmentally friendly energy-related products and technologies. For example, JSW and member companies have been attending WFES in UAE, Abu Dhabi almost every year. We have also participated in ASEAN Sustainable Energy Week, which was held in Bangkok. We appreciate that many visitors come to our JSW booth and that the member companies actively explain and show their excellent products and technologies to the visitors looking for mutual business opportunities in the future. Lastly, JSW has been publishing a booklet called Japanese Smart Energy Products and Technologies every year. It compiles the most advanced energy technologies and products developed by JSW member companies. Electronic versions are available on the JSW website in 7 languages: English, Chinese, Spanish, Portuguese, Russian, Vietnamese, as well as Japanese. A wide variety of categories of these technologies are listed in this booklet. For example, factories, industries, office buildings, residences, construction, transportation and logistics, power generation and distribution, renewable energy and storage batteries, energy solution services, etc. So please visit and view them on our JSW website. JSW and its member companies aim not only to be excellent business partners for you all, but to also contribute to the smarter energy development around the world. Please do not hesitate to contact us about improving energy efficiency or developing smarter energy. We are always looking forward to cooperating with you through our energy technologies and products to contribute to a greener and decarbonized world.